What's up, guys? We got the Insta 360 third-person backpack mount. Just came in the mail in this little bag. It was actually a paper bag, and then inside that paper bag was this plastic bag. And here's everything this in the bag. Little instruction QR code. Looks like the actual backpack straps and mount part. This little nut here, and this carbon fiber like dowel here, and a little carrying bag. So here's everything that's in the box. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Set this over here so it stops rolling around. For just about 9,800 yen, that would equate to about $68 roughly. With this product, I noticed it's really heavy, so I'm a little worried it's going to drag on the backpack. And we'll see. Once I get it all mounted and set up on the backpack and test it out, I'll make a quick video about that. But I just wanted to open this, show you the contents of what's inside the package when you get it. I noticed that this thing swivels, and this little dowel can connect to the end. You can use this to attach your camera to, or you can use a selfie stick and screw right onto the backpack. My concern with the selfie stick is that it's just going to be way too heavy, and it's going to pull on the backpack. So I'm thinking about some techniques. Maybe I'm going to stuff the backpack full of everything I can to just keep it nice and full and firm to keep pressure on this heavy mount. I feel like the mount needs to be heavy, just looking at it and testing and checking it out, in order for it to actually be sturdy enough to hold the camera. But at the same time, that heavy weight requires to have a nice full and firm backpack. So all right, so yeah, I'm just checking out the contents. There's a little nut here that looks like it's a protector for the threads on the end of the backpack mount. So I'll probably just put that in there in the bag and store it. But checking out the bag here, the bag is pretty quality. It's not one of those little cheap bags you get when you buy something, the little carrying bag that you can put it in. So I'm going to travel with this, put it in my snowboard pack. So I will use this nice quality filling bag. It's a nice heavy bag for a nice heavy mount. On the ends of the backpack third-person view mount, there's little Velcro adjustable straps. So far this thing looks pretty nicely created. So let's go ahead and let's put it on the backpack and see how it does. I'll make a quick video later testing it out and showing you what it looks like and how it performs with the backpack stuffed full of stuff. So yeah, let's check out the video that I make when I actually test it out, and bring you some video.